Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will learn how to fix ROG Ally not detect in external monitor. If your ROG Ally is not showing image for an external monitor, follow these steps to fix the issue and get your display working. Before starting the video, please note that not all the USB-C port, cable or dot support video output. Make sure your setup support DisplayPort Alt mode. Let's see the step-by-step solution. Step 1. Check dot and HDMI cable. Disconnect and connect the dot. Ensure HDMI cable is firmly plugged in. Try another HDMI cable and try another HDMI port on the monitor. Step 2. Select correct monitor input. Use the monitor input, then select the correct port like HDMI 1 or 2 and DisplayPort to USB-C. Step 3. Use Window Project menu. Press Window plus P, choose Duplicate or Extend. Then simply go to the Step 4. Detect the display in window. Go to Setting and select System. Click on Display. Then click Multiple Display and click Detect. Moving to the next point, Step 5. Reset the graphics driver. Press Window Control Shift and B. Then screen may filter briefly. This refresh your display connection. Step 6. Check USB-C video support. Ensure your USB-C port and cable support DisplayPort Alt mode. All USB-C cable do not support video. Use the original or a high quality USB-C cable. Step 7. Power your dot properly. Connect your ROG Ally charge to the dot's power delivery port. Insufficient power can cause the dot to fail video output. Let's see step 8. Update driver and BIOS. Open MyASUS and check your updates and update all chipset window, AMD graphics driver and BIOS. Then simply test without the dot. Connect the monitor directly to the ROG Ally using a USB-C or USB-C cable. If it works, the issue is likely with the dot or HDMI cable, then try another monitor. Test with another monitor. This helps identify whether the issue it is. Here are some display settings and troubleshooting symptoms and possible cause and their solution. You can also note for future preference. And today's extra tips is make sure the dot support HDMI port and keep the windows up to date. If it is still not working, you can also go to simply their official website for more customer support and help. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.